Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm back from vacation and ready to go. Today I've got a special treat for you. I've got a brand new subscription box to open from Bella Rose Quilts, the Bella Rose Quilt Society subscription box. I cannot wait to see what's inside. I got sent this full review from the lovely shop owner and I can't wait to get it open because I think it's going to have some lovely things based on what's in her shop. I will link this down below so you can find it if you are looking for it, if you like the box. But let's get this open because I can't wait anymore. Okay, like I said earlier, this is from Bella Rose Quilts, the Bella Rose Quilt Society subscription box. This is the very first one, and the owner of the shop, Sandy, sent me this for review. I actually purchased the subscription because I wanted to try it out, and then she refunded to me and sent it to me for free to show you here on YouTube. I did get it for review, but the opinion of everything in this box will be my own. You guys know I always tell you the truth, so I can't wait to see what's inside this. I'm super excited. This is such a pretty box that it came in. Okay, let's see. All right, it's all tied up with a cute sticker and a bow and some pink tissue paper. And everything's pink inside. Okay, so right on top, the first thing I see is a chocolate rose, which is perfect for the holiday coming up next week, Valentine's Day, you guys all know. Let's see what else is in here. There's a little pouch, and then it looks like a little booklet. Let's see what's inside the pouch. Okay, it's bag handles. Oh, cute little hearts. So we're gonna make some sort of little bag. And then, oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, there's so many things in here. I don't know where to look first. Okay, let me open this. Some tacky glue. So we have a project in front of us, which I'm looking forward to. And then let's open, oh, I love this fabric. This is Lella Boutique Love Struck. It's been out for a couple months, but I absolutely love this fabric. So I'm very excited about this. Look how pretty, all those pinks and blues and greens. I love Lella Boutique fabrics. She's one of my favorite designers, so I'm super excited to have this. And I'm sure that goes with this pattern right here. And it looks like there's a table runner or a throw, jelly roll friendly. Oh, look how cute that is. That's going to be perfect. And it looks like she gave us all the accompanying fabric we need. Looks like there's background, and this is probably the border. Yep, the border fabric. So super excited about that. And it looks like there's another piece of fabric in here too. That's probably the binding. Pull this out. So we've got our border fabric, our background fabric. Really cute. It's a tone on tone with hearts. And then this looks like it's probably the binding fabric, which is actually not part of this line, but it matches really well. I'm not sure which designer this is, but I love it because it actually goes really well with this fabric. So all right, so this is such a cute pattern. It's called Smitten, and the throw is going to be 69 by 85. That's actually a really large throw. It's almost a twin. And you need, let's see, a jelly roll, 2.25 yards of background, or 3.5 yards for background sashing, inner border, middle border, and then the outer border 1.5 yards, binding 3/4 yard, and so on and so forth. But really cute, really nice pattern. And I know they make their own patterns, so I'm excited for that. Oh, and here's what that little clasp went with. Let me show you guys again. There it is. So we're going to make this little coin purse. Oh, how cute. I really like that. I like when there's a secondary small project. That'll be a lot of fun. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I've only ever done one other, so it'll be fun to kind of get back into that again. Then let's see what this is here. Christmas Memories, Clue 1. This pattern is part of a Christmas Block of the Month project designed by Sandy. You can find information about the complete project at bellarosequilts.com. Oh, how cute. Okay, so this is going to be a block of the month. Oh, how fun is that? Oh, I love it. Okay, so, oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Let me read this guy really quick. Inspire, Learn, Create, Bella Rose Quilt Society subscription box. Romancing the Ordinary is the name of this box. It says, welcome to the first Bella Rose Quilt Society subscription box Thank you for taking this journey with me. My goal is to create a subscription box that is about the experience, from the first item you open to the last item you make. Enclosed, you will find a beautiful collection of products designed to inspire you to learn new techniques and create beautiful projects. Go beyond the ordinary and experience a world of design and color from Bella Rose Quilts. Sandy, every box is a new experience. Okay, so inside this box you'll find the Lovestruck Jelly Roll, which I showed you, the finishing kit using Lovestruck by Moda, Smitten Quilt and Table Runner Quilt Pattern, Mystery Quilt Clue number 1, a new clue with every box. So the first one was the reindeer, so it's a Christmas quilt. The Heart Purse Kit includes clasps, string, and fleece. Eileen's Original Tacky Glue, which I'm sure we're going to need for the purse. Handcrafted Zipper Charm by Casey Ritter Designs. Now I did not see that. Oh, here it is. I just missed it. See? Good thing I read what the booklet said. And then it has a schedule of events of things coming up with her quilt shop. Let me take this out. Oh, is that pretty? Oh, I really love that. I'm a sucker for a nice, pretty zipper pull. So I really love that. Or zipper charm, I should say. Really pretty. Okay, I'm going to put that back in there so I don't lose it. All right, so that was her first box. Sandy, you hit it out of the park. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. I love everything in the box. There's not one thing in here that I don't like. Nice touch with a little chocolate rose. Since Valentine is coming up, I'm sure that that's going to go to one of my kiddos. I love, love, love the pattern because I absolutely love this fabric and they go so well together. This is one of my favorite fabric lines from Lella Boutique. It's so pretty. And then we have everything we need to make this quilt top, which is great. This is the fleece for the little purse. This is what the little clasp came in. I'm going to have to fix all this later and make it all pretty again. And the bag that everything came in. All right, so I'll tell you what my favorite thing is here in a second. Thank you so much for joining me today for this new box opening from Bella Rose Quilts. Thank you, Sandy, for sending this to me. I absolutely love this box. Great job. I feel like you knocked it out of the ballpark on your first try. So wonderful. You guys who have been here with me for a while know that I always talk about my favorite thing at the end of a box opening. And there's not one thing I don't like in this box. This is a beautifully done box, very well curated. I feel like everything went together super well. So if you're interested, I'm going to link it down below where you can go over and subscribe. I think this is going to be a great box. So, my favorite thing, it's so hard, but I'm going to actually have to pick two things. You guys know I love a beautiful pattern, especially if it's really well written, and absolutely love this pattern. And of course, if I love this pattern, I have to love the fabric that goes with it. And I do. I love Lella Boutique, one of my favorite designers. So super excited to have this and so happy that she gave us all the fabrics to finish, although I've definitely got some of this yardage laying around, so I would have had enough to finish it anyway, but glad that we had everything. That's so nice that you don't have to go out and purchase anything else to do the top, but I just absolutely love this. I cannot wait to make this. So run and go get yours today because this was a fabulous box. Great job, Sandy, and thanks again, and I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.